I'm sorry that some of my videos have turned out to be fake. I faked giving money to a homeless guy, okay? And yeah, I said that I was gonna take people out of poverty, and instead I bought a mansion. But sorry, let me just cover my mouth. But the important thing to remember is I have been sick, okay? You think that I want to be faking my videos and lying to you and pretending that things are real when they're not? No! I am sick. I need to go to the hospital. So if you say that I fake any more videos, you're sick phobic. And you know what being sick phobic really is? It's being racist.